We all know that movement is good for us. A brisk walk is one of the most accessible and powerful tools we have for improving both our physical and mental health. Walking can boost our mood, improve our metabolic health, and help us sleep better. However, the timing of that walk matters more than many of us realize. Sometimes, a walk taken too close to bedtime can have the opposite effect. Walking raises your heart rate and core temperature. It signals your nervous system that it is time for activity, not rest. Your body releases hormones like adrenaline and cortisol. Great for daytime energy, not ideal before sleep. If you find yourself pacing after a midnight wake-up or returning from a final stroll feeling more awake, you are not alone. It suggests a different kind of movement might be more beneficial in that pre-sleep window, one that helps you downshift. The goal is to send a clear signal. The day is over. It is now safe to relax, repair, and enter a state of deep rest. When we talk about exercise, our minds often jump to metrics like calories burned, steps taken, heart rate zones. Useful for fitness, not the right markers for pre-sleep movement. For our purposes, better means a calmer body state and less tension. Shift from sympathetic fight or flight to parasympathetic rest and digest. This slows heart rate, relaxes muscles, and promotes tranquility. Better means your breathing slows, your muscles soften, and tension in the lower back and hips begins to melt away. We hold tension from sitting, driving, and stress. Success is subjective. Do you feel calmer and less tense? The movement we are focusing on is the gentle pelvic tilt. A physiotherapy and yoga staple, it mobilizes the lower spine and releases surrounding muscle tension safely. It is not a big sit-up or crunch. It is a small rocking motion of the pelvis. It gently lengthens the lower back and invites a soft abdominal engagement. This simple action may help calm your nervous system and deepen relaxation. You can do it on the bed, on the floor, or in a chair. Choose the setup where you feel fully supported. Keep your neck comfortable. Use a pillow or thin cushion if helpful. Isolate the pelvis and lower back. No lifting the whole body. The 3 pillars of a calming tilt: breath, range, sensation. First, breath. Slow, gentle, deliberate breathing activates rest and digest. Let your exhale guide the movement. Exhale, initiate the tilt. Inhale, return to neutral. Sync breath and movement. Avoid breath holding. Second, range. Aim for a small, smooth motion. Imagine gently pressing the small of your back into the surface, then release. Movement is just a few centimeters. Pushing for more can add tension. Less is more. Third, sensation. Notice gentle lengthening in your lower back, soft activation in the lower abdominals, ease around hips and glutes. If you feel sharp, pinching, or painful sensations, stop immediately. Listening trains your brain-body connection. Invaluable for overall health. The common mistake: assuming exercise must feel effortful, moving too quickly, using too much force, or holding your breath. Rushing and pushing big ranges makes muscles guard and tighten. Breath holding raises arousal. That activates a mild fight or flight response, leaving you more alert, not sleepy. The fix: slow down, shrink the movement, and let your exhale lead. Imagine moving through water. Make each phase last a full, slow breath. Make it even smaller, half the size you think is small. Coax, do not force. Let the exhale draw the belly button gently inward. The tilt follows as a consequence. This turns tension into release, preparing you for rest. Section 6. Gentler and stronger variations. Our bodies are different night to night. Gentler option: the seated micro tilt. Sit tall, feet flat, hands on thighs. Exhale, think navel to spine. The tilt is tiny, almost imperceptible. Perfect when stiff, sore, or during a night wake-up. Exceptionally safe and soothing. Stronger option, only if comfortable and no acute pain. Exhale into a pelvic tilt, gently squeeze glutes, lift hips 1 to 2 inches, then lower with control. This is not a full bridge, just the next step up from a tilt. Approach with caution. Honest self-assessment is key. There is no prize for choosing the stronger option. Most nights, the standard gentle tilt is perfect. Meet your body where it is. Section 7. Your 2-minute bedtime ritual for deeper rest. The goal is consistency and calm, not complexity. Get into your comfortable position, on the bed, on the floor, or in a chair. Close your eyes if that feels good. Take 1 or 2 slow, easy breaths. Begin pelvic tilts. On a gentle exhale, feel your lower back press towards the surface. Inhale to return to neutral. Repeat for about 6 to 10 repetitions, roughly 1 minute. Then pause and breathe naturally for about 30 seconds. Notice warmth, softness, and a pleasant heaviness against the mattress. If helpful, repeat 1 more brief round. The entire sequence fits into about 2 minutes. This information is educational. This movement may help you downshift. It is not a medical cure. Always listen to your body. Stop if you feel any sharp pain or dizziness. If you have health concerns, consult your doctor. If you try the gentle pelvic tilt tonight, I would be very interested to hear how it felt for you. Please leave a comment and let me know if you preferred the lying or the seated version. For more simple, science-backed tips on moving well and sleeping better as you age, explore the Healthy Aging Mastery playlist on our channel. Remember, soothe, do not stimulate. Small, exhale-led movements can make bedtime feel better than walking. Pain-free range only. Stop if dizzy. Move at a pace that helps you feel calmer. Thank you for watching. Sleep well. Soft breath. Good night.